Hey guys, Leonard here with Leonard's Arcade. Today I'm opening up a package I just got in the mail. I'm pretty excited about this one. Ooh, look at that, it's stuffed. Oh, there we go. Got some extra figures. Well guys, this is the Lego Brick Bounty set. This is my first pirate set. It's also my first pirate ship. Cannot wait to build this, and I can't wait even more to mod the teetotal shit out of it to make a real big pirate ship. But first I'm going to build the regular model, and we'll go ahead and get that done. Alright, so here's the pirate ship all built up. This is going to be kind of quick. I'm not really doing a review of this as much as it is. I'm just showing it to you how it comes in the set. I must say, it is far taller than I thought it was going to be. It does not fit on my shelves, and I'm going to have to buy some new display stuff for my room to be able to accommodate this. I was already looking at getting a desk for my room anyways, so that all kind of works out really, I think. There are a couple things I really don't like about this ship. A big one being that it's just open hole, however it's said. Basically you build on top of the big boat pieces and then they're just exposed on the bottom. I don't like that, so As with a lot of things in my city and just in my collection in general, this is going to be heavily modded. I'm going to get 2 more of the bottom bolt pieces and expand it by that, so it's going to expand by about 16 more studs. I'm going to make it taller to actually put a hole in the middle so that this actual underneath part down in here will actually be the cargo hold instead of the one that comes underneath here on the inside. But they put just a single chest that looks with a brick on it for some reason in the back and a cargo hold area right there. I don't like that, so I'm going to fix that. Another big complaint on this set is they don't include enough cannons for all the actual cannon ports, so I'm going to fix that as well as add a couple more. This winch chain thing in the middle here doesn't actually go down to the deck. Gonna fix that. There are chains used to hold some of the sails in position. Gonna do away with the chains. It's gonna be all string. So this is gonna expand. I'm also gonna make it taller so these sails aren't gonna sit connected anymore. They're gonna be their own separate thing on each of these poles, held in place by both string and the same kind of Technic connections I've already done. There's a lot to get done on this, but I feel like this project's going to take a while, as I'm not, doing my normal LDD file thing. I'm going to just kind of play it by ear. I have already purchased some orders. They are on their way in the mail, but I will most likely have to get a couple more just to get going on this, because like I said, I don't really have anything set in mind. I just ordered a bunch of pieces to see what I can play with and do with them. I think the main addition to me for this whole set is going to be adding the hole to the middle, and it's going to be removable so you can actually open it up and get on the inside of this rather than it just being completely open. But yeah, we're going to make this look like a real deal pirate ship instead of, I mean, it already looks like a pirate ship, obviously, but I'm going to go full out. I'm going to make this a real beautiful ship if I can. Well, that's it. So I'm gonna get this turned off and get started, and there will be an update when there's an update. Be sure to subscribe. Send me some rum. I could use a drink.